So Teddy and Chopper are gonna try their first pup cup from Starbucks. Woohoo!
Thank you. Starbucks. My name's Ashley. What's yours?
My name's Poppy, and can also get 2 more pup cups. Sorry about that.
What else do you?
That's it. It is Starbucks. Starbucks. It's an addiction. Stay away from this place. It will take you of your money. We are ready. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so she does this thing where she wears her headphones. She's not actually listening to music, but she likes the trend because people are wearing them at the gym and she likes how she looks. So she wears them for style. They are about to try the pup cup. This is Teddy Boo Boo. He won't stay. This is Chopper. Okay, Chopper. Come on. Go ahead. You could try it. Okay, Teddy, now it's your turn. Oh, God. All right, Teddy. Where are your manners, huh? Oh, okay. You're not supposed to be licking public tables. We'll clean it. We have wipes in the car. I'm telling you, Starbucks does something to their pup cups. I don't know what they add. I don't know. Starbucks pup cups, they add something to it, some type of addictive chemical, I don't know. Okay? Teddy, there, you are done. We're only gonna give the bird a little bit just because we want to make sure his diet is healthy.
Chopper.
A little more, Chopper, then that's enough, okay?
No, Teddy.
Wow,
Was it good?
he loves this thing.
Did you like it? Was it good, Boo Boo? Was it good? You liked it? Yeah?
Okay, Chopper. Sorry, that's enough. No more. Okay? I'm sorry. Hey. I'm sorry. No more. The reason is because you have to eat your foodies. What are you doing? I'm sorry. Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me, Chopper? He's mad at me. He doesn't even do that, but he's mad.
Okay,
Just a little more and that's it. Okay, no more. That's it, okay? So, come here, Chopper. Come here. Chopper, it's okay that you're mad.